back to our new Police vs. Bikers episode. In this episode you will see some of the angry and some cool cops. We hope that you will like it. So, sit back and enjoy. Let's start.
The motorcycle checkpoint, so you're gonna have to end up veering to your right.
Okay. To my right? Okay. Who am I going to? These guys?
You're gonna keep going down, but just go to your right.
Okay.
Online body cam.
Okay.
I just need to see your license and your registration.
Sure.
Parking is what you gotta do.
How are you guys doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright, just hot.
It is hot, yes it is.
I chose the worst day to come here. Holy f. There's so much traffic.
And very important, so I just want to look at. Alright, sir, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
No problem, man.
Safely.
Yeah, I'm trying to get out of here. So where's the next turn off?
You can actually anything beyond this point.
Okay. Awesome.
Oh, you can't turn here. Probably 42nd Street, 43rd.
Okay. I'm trying to just get out this. Okay.
God bless. Be safe.
Yeah, same to you. Take care, guys.
Thank you.
Try to stay cool.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. 2017. I want a Harley, though. No, I want the Harley, though. I want a 48 Sportster, yeah. Yeah, that's my next bike. It's a girl Harley, but...
You gonna keep this when you get that?
Probably, yeah. This is one of my dream bikes, that's why. It makes no sense to own this in New York City. Alright.
You don't have ability, and I don't want you to take your life.
Alright. How's it going? Can we make a left here or no?
Technically not.
Okay.
Well, you can.
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's so bad. I'm hot under this helmet, dude.
Yo, okay, he was just doing little dips back and forth. Undercover cop just pulled my boy over. I pointed, I was like, me too, and he was like, yeah, and he like nodded. He seems super dope. We should be good. I told you. I told you. I told you. I didn't know. I don't know. I didn't know that we were talking. He was trying to warm up the tires. We just left.
For what?
We just left. This is a 125.
You're gonna race as you warm up the tires, right?
This is a 125 cc. This thing is so slow. I think I recognize you. I was in the Thorin Citizens Academy.
Oh, really?
It was me and my dad. Yeah.
So is that your girlfriend's bike or what?
Bro, no. No, bro.
You. Oh, I saw the pink on it.
No, bro.
I just don't want you to wreck.
Yeah.
I know. I saw you pull up.
Too many stupid in here,
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Okay, haven't been drinking or anything?
No, I don't drink.
All right.
Oh.
Okay.
Thank you so much, man.
Yo, can I take a video real quick?
What?
You already have your GoPro on.
Just our bikes real fast.
Give him a card.
You want a card for my YouTube channel? I mean, I know you already, but you can check it out. You'll be on there.
All right. Cool.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
You're the man.
Cards for a parking problem.
For me?
How's it going, man?
Good. How you doing, officer?
Not too bad.
What can I do for you?
Well, I just saw you riding down here. I wanted to check you out, and then you rode up on the sidewalk. That's it.
Oh, I was just gonna push the button.
Where are you heading to?
My house.
All right. You're not the same guy I'm looking for, so.
Okay.
Sorry, man. You like those things or what?
Yeah, 30 miles per hour, right?
No, not me.
No, that one goes 30 miles
No,
per
because
hour.
I'm too big.
No, 27 then.
25.
Have a good one, guys. No sidewalks, right? Okay.
flip the throttle, you want to kind of get slow and steady.
Okay.
Once it hits the RPM, you're going to see it tinging like this. Once it starts tinging like this, you just hold the throttle constant. You just take a measurement with the decimal meter in the back. I'm just going to tell you right now, though, state law is 94. You're way above that. I mean, you're going to be way in the hundreds.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Well, let's see where we're
Okay, sure. Yep, absolutely.
Hold on. You just got to start it.
I gotta start it.
Just make sure you're neutral, too. Okay.
There.
Yep.
Just want to have the feet on the picnic table just so you're not reverberating sound. You're at 114 decibels, man. Like I said, state law is 94. So you can't operate this thing. It's just way too loud. Like I said, man, I have to have hearing protection on because I can't even stand to be next to it. So.
Okay. 114.
Yeah. So I hate to ruin your guys' vacation, but
No, we got another one.
okay.
We climb hills with this.
Okay. Yeah, this thing is like designed for a drag strip.
Yeah,
It's not designed for.
It's not a. We're not a 300 footer. We climb hills with it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a hill. It's a hill shooter.
Yeah, and I'm not even sure. I mean, just looking at these things that you guys have as spark arrestors. There's no stamp on them, so.
Yeah.
What's this? What kind of stamp does it have to have?
It would have a U.S. Forest Service approved stamp on it. Every single spark arrestor that's designed to be sold has to be tested in California, and once they go through thousands of dollars of testing, then they are stamped with U.S. Forest Service approved if it's a spark arrestor.
Okay.
Yeah, we got those from Jaws Performance.
Yeah.
That's where those come from. So.
Yeah. Well, there's like I said, there's not a stamp on there, so that tells me that they're not tested.
Sure.
So they're not
Sure.
a qualified spark arrestor.
Okay. Yeah.
And this is a snowmobile engine, correct?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So I mean, snowmobiles only have spark arrestors on them, so I don't know, why this company would be, offering that out.
Yeah.
So.
We asked for them.
No. Okay. Well.
Yeah. We're like, hey, we want custom pipes. This is what we need, and we need spark arrestors. And they're like, all right, we can do it.
There's, like I said, there's not any stamping on this, so to me that means they didn't send it to get tested, so it's not officially a spark arrestor. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I mean, you know, it might stop sparks, but if it doesn't have that approval on there, then we can't.
No, I'm not arguing with you.
I'm just giving you an explanation to it.
Yeah, I'm just pulling information.
Yeah, sure. No, that's what I'm here for, is give information. But yeah, this thing unfortunately can't operate out here. I mean, you probably take it down to, you know, the drag strip on Deer Road, but.
What are they open?
Yeah, actually, I think that.
I mean, we've never had it on like a tree on a dirt track.
Yeah,
it's always been a hill.
Right. I think they actually have a race this weekend. I don't know if it's too late to do it, but yeah, it's just you know, this is
sure
not where this thing is.
Absolutely.
Supposed to be, so.
Sure.
Okay.
All right. Thanks,
Cool,
man.
Yep. No problem. Glad we can help you.
Thanks,
out.
guys.
Yep. Thank you.
We came to the end of this episode. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe if you haven't yet. We read your comments, so make sure to comment down below if you want us to do more of these videos. New merch is added on our store, so feel free to check it out. See you in the next episode. Till then, ride safe.